guys, it's Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents, and welcome back, guys. Today is, I literally just tapped my empty phone case to check the time. That's deep, but listen, I think today is June the 4th. That kind of sounds right, but maybe it's June the 5th. I honestly don't know, but I'll let you know at some point in time, or it'll at least be on the thumbnail so you already know. Anyways, guys, we have some pretty great deals. I have a pretty long list of deals that I've brought with me today. For the first time in a very long time, I actually did a spin deal on here. I don't know if I'll be picking it up. It really just depends on what's available, but I'm going to at least let you guys know what the options are. But we have some really great freebies. Now, I'm going to be working off of 2 different cards today. Like I told you, I went ahead and bought the Care Pass for the new account, and this is how we're going to split these accounts up. So we have the new phone account, and then we have the old phone account, okay? So new phone, new account, old phone, old account. Easy peasy. So that's how I'm going to split this up when I'm telling you guys what the deals are that I've done. And I've actually had to go to 2 different CVS's today. I'm going to share those deals with you right now. So the first deal that you need to go run and do today is going to be on the Hallmark cards if your store carries these. There's 2 different ways you can do this Hallmark deal. Hallmark this week is buy any 3, get $3 in extra care bucks. These are the ones that are priced at 49 cents, as you can see here. And so when you pick up 3 of these for $1.47, you're going to get $3 back in extra care bucks, making them completely free, plus $1.53 money maker. So that's the first deal you need to go run and do. Okay, next deal that I ended up picking up, and it's not really a deal, but this is the last day that you can redeem for, I think it is your May beauty freebie. So I ended up picking up the Paparazzi Wipes. From what I can tell, it can only be this one. Wasn't really working on much else. It was a couple things, but nothing I really wanted. These were priced at $4.99. It took off $4.99 for these, making them completely free. So moving right along is the Paparazzi, and now I'm gonna actually have to look at this receipt because I was testing this deal out to see how it was gonna come off. So it looks like each of them rang up at $2.50 each, which is what I was hoping. They are typically 2 for $5 in stores, so I picked up a couple of the nail strengtheners. You don't always have to get polished, but you're looking for the ones that are typically $2.99. They're going to be on sale for $2.50 or 2 for $5, okay? And then when you buy 2, you get a $4 extra care buck. I also picked up this color. So I ended up picking up 3 because I had a $3 off of 7 Paparazzi. I'm going to show you that here in a second. Ended up being not completely free, but really close to free, less than $1, around $1. So let's head into CVS for what I'm gonna pick up for my second store, and let's see what we can pick up. All right, y'all. Here is the next deal. This is on the Garnier Fruities. Now, select Garnier this week is on sale 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra care buck. So I'm just gonna pick up some of this Curl Nourish because I never get to get the curl stuff, so I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna pick up 2 of them for $7. I have a $2 hair care CRT, and this is on the new account. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm also going to use a $3 off of 2 paper coupon from Save 65. I'm going to end up paying $2. I'm going to get $2 back in extra care bucks, making this deal completely free. This is a great deal, and if you do not have that $2 CRT, you will just end up paying $1 each for these. Okay, alrighty, y'all. So here's the next deal, and this one I can actually do, so I'm excited about this. So the Nivea body wash is on sale this week for $6, and when you buy one, you get a $2 extra care buck. So I'm gonna pick up one for $6. I have a $2 CRT, so I'm gonna end up paying $4. I'm gonna get back $2 in extra care bucks, and then I will also get back $2 on Ibotta, making one completely free. So this is a great deal. I'm gonna pick it up. I think the limit on the Ibotta is a limit of 3. Okay, y'all, so here's the next deal, and I'm super excited about this deal because I've been wanting to get these, and I was hoping that we would be able to get them for free, and we can if you have one CRT. So the Nature's Bounty Immune Jelly Beans, they're priced at $14.79 in my store. They're buy one get one 50% off. When you pick up 2 of these, it's going to cost you $22.18. Okay, you're going to use a two $3 coupons from Save 65. You're going to use a 3 off of 18 vitamin CRT. Okay, you're going to end up paying $13.18, and then we'll submit to Ibotta for $14.99 back when you buy 2. making 2 of these completely free and $1.80 moneymaker. So I really hope you have that CRT, but if not, it's still going to be a pretty good deal. Okay, so here's the next deal, and I like when this one comes around, which is the Glucerna Mini Treats, and we have coupons for these, so it's going to make for a great deal. Now, I do not have any CRTs, so this is just going to be what it cost by just picking up 2. So they're $5.99, and when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck, so pick up 2 of them for $11.98. Use 2 $3 off of 1 coupons in Smart Source 6.5. We also have a digital coupon, but sometimes it can be a bit wonky, so I'm just going to use 2 paper coupons. And then you're going to pay $6.98, get back $5 in extra care bucks, making them $1.98 or just 99 cents each. And that's a fantastic deal. So I would go ahead and pick them on up. All right, y'all. So we have a pretty good deal this week on the Huggies Pull-Ups. Now, to do the deal that I put together for the spin 30 get 10 or the spin 45 get 15, you are going to need a different variety, meaning you're going to need the new leaf pull-ups if your store has those, a regular one, or one of the night times. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $23. And now make sure that you're picking up either one of the regulars and one of the new leaves, or one of the new leaves and one of the night times. That's going to be the best way to do this deal, and you'll see that in the printable breakdown. Okay, so these are the first 2 items that you're going to be picking up, and then we're going to go and look at the next item that we'll be picking up for this deal. Now, the next item you're going to pick up is going to be the Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash, priced at $7.99. So once you pick up 2 of the pull-ups and 1 of the Dove Men's, it's going to equal up to $30.99. We are going to use a $2 off of 1 from Say 6.5 for the Dove, and use 2 $3 off of 1 coupons for the pull-ups from Smart Source 6.5, or you can use one of the digitals. Now, I also had a $3 Dove CRT for body wash, so we would be paying $19.99 out of pocket, getting back $10 in extra care bucks, which equals up to $9.99. Then we're going to go over to Ibotta and submit for 2 50-cent Ibotta rebates for pull-ups. Yours may be higher. I've seen as high as $2. Then you're going to go over to your fetch, and you want to check your fetch first to figure out which pull-ups you should buy. I have 2 $4 fetch rewards for the pull-ups, and then I have a $3 for just generic pull-ups. So it's just going to depend on what you pick up. Anywho, you'll end up spending as low as 99 cents for all 3 items, or just 33 cents each. And I think that this is a fantastic deal, so go ahead and pick it on up. All right, so we have a great deal on the Efferdent this week. It is $6.49 for the 102 count in my store, and they're buy one get a $5 extra care buck. So we have a $2.50 coupon that'll be on the list. So you're going to use that $2.50 coupon. You'll pay $3.99. You'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, making this deal free and over $1 moneymaker. All right, y'all. So here is the next deal. This is on the Colgate toothpaste and the Colgate toothbrushes. They're $4.49 this week. You buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck. So pick up 1 of these, and that's going to be the first part of the deal. And then you're going to use a $1 digital. All right, so the next part of this deal is the Colgate toothbrush, priced at $4.49, and we have a $1 digital coupon. Let me show you that here. And then we also have I have a 2 off of 5 oral care. So when you pick up 2 of them, you're going to use that 2 off of 5 oral care. You're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks, which is going to end up making this free. So it's a really great deal if you have that 2 off of 5 oral care CRT. All right, y'all, pick it on up. Okay, so I've redone this deal a couple of times because the price points have been so different than what they were online, but I'm going to try to quickly break this down for you guys. So select Dove, Axe, and Degree are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 1 of the Degree women's, priced at $7.99, and then I'm going to pick up 1 of the 0% Dove men's. These are actually priced at $9.49, which is what's been throwing my math off. You can also pick up 1 of the 0% aluminum free Dove women's. Okay, doesn't really matter which one. You just need either 1 of the Degrees, 1 of the Degree women's, or 1 of the Dove women or men. 0% is the key. So pick up 1 of each of these.
guys, when you pick up one of each of these, it's going to be $13.48. We're going to use a 5 off of 2 coupon from the Save 6.5. We're going to pay $8.48, and then we are going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, leaving us to pay, or leaving left $3.48. Then we're going to submit to Shopkick for $1.88 on the Degree and $1.88 on the Dove, making both of these completely free. So yeah, this is a great deal and I had to do it.
All right, so I am back at home and I want to just kind of go over how things went. I talked to you guys about the Paparazzi nail polish, my free May Beauty Club item, and the Hallmark, so you guys know all about that. I ended up doing that transaction together, those 3 items, and that was a $1.03 moneymaker for me because the Paparazzi cost 50 cents. So great deals there. But I want to talk about the transaction that I did together with my 8 off of 40. So I had a couple things that did not come off, but it still ended up being over a $7 moneymaker. So let's just kind of talk about it. I picked up the Garnier, the Nivea, the Efferdent, the Colgate Toothbrush, mouthwash, the Glucerna, and the jelly beans on this transaction. So that subtotal was over $60. And then the coupons that I had come off were the Colgate mouthwash digital and toothbrush digital, the $2.50 paper coupon for the Efferdent. I had 4 $3 coupons come off, which could have been a mix between the Garnier, the jelly beans, and the Glucerna. One of my $3 coupons did not come off for one of these items. I should have had 5 $3 coupons, but I only had 4 come off. And then I had the 8 off of 40, the $2 body wash CRT, the $2 Glucerna, which was a surprise. I did not know that this was clipped on my account. So that $2 came off as well. Yeah, that was great. So that was unexpected. That ended up making those free, for sure, free. And then the $2 hair care CRT, the 2 off of 5 oral care CRT, and then I ended up using a $10 Care Pass reward in my 4 cents for my 2% back. So all in all, before adding in that Care Pass, it was $30.13. So I ended up getting back $21 in extra care bucks. And guys, it seems like they gave me an extra $2 extra care buck because I have a $2 extra care buck here, a $2 extra care buck here. Then I have a $5 extra care buck here, $5 extra care buck here, $5 extra care buck here, and no extra care bucks here. So somehow I got an extra $2. That's fantastic. Not sure from what, but that's okay. So that ended up making this, after submitting to Ibotta, for $14.99 back on the jelly beans and $2 back on the Nivea, a $7.87 moneymaker. So really, really great deals there. Now I did want to let you guys know that I did end up picking up the Dove and the Degree, as you guys seen in the video. However, I had that $2 digital clipped, so it ended up coming off. I only ended up paying $1.48 for these because I rolled a $5 extra care buck. You should have paid $8.48, and then I had an extra $2, so it made it $6.48 before getting back a $5 extra care buck, but I rolled $5. So after submitting for the rebate for these, it's gonna just make it like a $2 more moneymaker than it was supposed to be. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up today. Everything for the most part went well, minus my one $3 paper coupon missing, and I also did not have the 3 off of 18 come off for the jelly beans. But I'm grateful that the 8 off 40 came off because that kind of fixed a couple things as far as what didn't, and then also the surprise Glucerna. All of this was done on my new account because I wanted to build up those extra care bucks. So now I started off with a $10 Care Pass, and I now have $21 going into next week, and I have over $30 on my other account. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, y'all. Bye, guys, and don't forget to tune in to Monday's Walmart video. All right, y'all.